Now let's look at line plots, how to set up colors, markers, and line styles. Okay. So let's generate some random data with seed equal to 0. Okay. And then we say data equal to np random rand n, that will be standard normal, and say we want 30 of those. Okay. And then after generating our data, we're going to plot the data. Okay, and let's set up a figure and a plot. So that will be plot subplots. Okay, and fixed size is 15, 10. Okay, and then we just simply plot data cumulative sum. So it's going to find a cumulative sum of the data. Okay. So now if I run that code, so I get this line, right? Now here are the codes that we can use for line style and marker codes, and here are the color codes. So color characters, okay, that's your default B, and we have these codes, and there are a lot more codes than this. You can Google, there's a whole bunch of these. So if I change here, and you don't have to even specify color and marker and all that. All you have to do is to give a string. Okay, so if I give that, then it goes into green. And then suppose if I say dash dash, that's going to change the line type, line style. Okay, and then we can have different markers. So if I say plus, then I'll get the data points marked with that marker style. So here line style and marker style. So we have dash dash, dash dot, and we have colon and so on. A whole bunch of these are available. You can try these. Okay. So this table gives us the line style and the marker codes. This one gives the color code. Okay. And then you have the ticks labels and legends. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste this data. Okay, here. And as we prepare the data, let's do the cumulative sum right here. So the data comes as a cumulative sum. All right. And then let me copy that. Okay, now data is already cumulative sum, so I will take that out. Okay. So we'll just use the default xplot data. Now we can set Okay, so now here is the x-axis. Okay, and here, suppose if we really wanted, instead of 30,000 of them. Oops, what's going on here? Oh, okay. All right. So now we have x-axis going from 0 to 1,000 is going, and the default tick marks are 0, 200, 400, 600, and so on. But if you want to change the tick marks, you can do that by saying AX, okay, set X ticks. Okay. And then you can give a list of what we want, 0, 250, 500, 750, 1,000. Okay. So these are the ticks you will have, right? Now, if you don't want these numbers as the tick labels, you want the ticks there, but you want the labels to be X tick labels okay, and so you want like 1, 2, 3. You want those labels to be those. Okay. 4 and 5. This may be one of those. Okay. This is probably, oh, there it is, X tick labels. It's there. I don't know why it's not working. It says object has no attribute. And it is there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, so that's that. It's probably because of the version of Matplotlib. Okay, so we'll move on, and we can add legends with labels. Okay, suppose we have 3 data sets. Okay, I'm going to copy this now. Let's see, we copy these 3 lines. Okay. Now I'm going to have 3 different data. Okay, we'll call this data 1, data 2, and data 3. And then we'll plot all these 3 in the same plot. Okay, AX plot. So there is only one axis object. So we have data 1. Okay, and in the same axis we will plot data 2 and then plot data 3. Okay, so we have 3 plots running. Okay, so now when we have 3 different data plotted in a single plot, you want a legend indicating what's what, right? So we can say AX legend. Okay, and then no handle with labels found to put in legend. Okay, so okay. Okay, let's give labels for each of them. I guess that's the reason. So label equal to data 1 and data 2 and data 3. I have to remove that. Okay. All right, so now we have a legend, and here are the possible values for location. Okay, so best would be something that Python will figure out what would be the best place to put it. Okay, or if you want to put it somewhere, then you can use any one of those options right there.